Passage English 60. Dear Sir, Para, we have had the pleasure of supplying your company with goods over a period of nearly 50 years, but I notice on going through our records that we have not received any orders from you more than 6 months. Para, I am taking the liberty of writing to you personally as I am wondering whether you have had reason to be dissatisfied in any way with either our goods or service. I can assure you that we do appreciate very much your valued custom, and we should be very sorry indeed to feel that we had lost it. If you have had cause for complaint of any nature, will you be kind enough to favor me with full particulars, and I will have the matter investigated immediately and do my utmost to rectify it. Para, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that we have recently opened a new branch in Nagpur where we are carrying large stocks of our various products. That branch manager was for about 12 years in the sales department in our warehouse, and I am sure would be very pleased to receive a visit from you at any time. Para, by the way, we have introduced during the past few months several new lines which we consider might interest you, and we should be happy to submit samples to you for your consideration. We now await your valued response. Yours faithfully, Overstock.